Good news on Balaalo eviction. Security officers arrested over bribery in Pade district. Pade, Uganda. In a significant development in the ongoing eviction of Balaalo, non-local admins, in other words, from northern Uganda, several security officers have been arrested for allegedly tagging their lives to take bribes to protect Balaalo settlers from eviction during the first phase of the operation. These arrested include the Gomborola internal security officer, that is Gisu, of Lapul sub-county, Mr. Oyugi David Hassan, the officer in charge of Pajule police station, Inspector of Police Omar James, and Lieutenant from the Uganda People's Defense Forces, OUPDF, who was part of the eviction command team. The trial is currently detained at Aringa sub-county, also in Pade district. According to preliminary reports, the 3 security officials are accused of receiving bribes from some Balaalo cattle keepers, allowing them to restrain their cattle and remain in the region illegally despite a presidential directive ordering their eviction through Executive Order Number 3 and the escalated Executive Order Number 2. This breach allegedly compromised the integrity of the first phase of the Balaalo eviction exercise, directly disobeying President Museveni's order. Bagwere, the area where the suspects are being held, has also been among the most affected by Balaalo occupation, with reports of community water points and public pathways being blocked by herdsmen. The news was broken by Honorable Dr. Odonga, Otto, a vocal leader in the Balaalo Must Go campaign, who has consistently advocated for the protection of Acholi ancestral lands and the communities against illegal occupation and environmental degradation by non-resident herdsmen. Thank you, Mr. President, for your firm stand on this matter. We hope this sends a strong message that justice will be served and no one is above the law, Honorable Damato said in a statement posted online. The arrest come at a time when local leaders and residents have been demanding accountability and transparency in the enforcement of the presidential directive on Balaalo eviction. The operation is expected to continue with renewed scrutiny and tighter supervision in the next phase.